Castor oil is a vegetable oil extracted from the seeds of the castor bean plant Ricinus communis. It is a thick, pale yellow liquid with a distinct odor. Castor oil has been used for centuries for its medicinal and therapeutic properties. It contains various fatty acids, with ricinoleic acid being the most prominent, which contributes to its unique benefits. Castor oil is widely used in cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and industrial applications due to its moisturizing, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. 15 powerful reasons why you should use castor oil before bed. 1. Prevent wrinkles or fine lines. Wrinkles are one of the signs of aging. Wrinkles appear when our skin loses its natural elasticity and skin thins. Since castor oil helps replenish the old cells and increases cell longevity by enhancing the production of collagen, it is one of the go-to-home remedies to remove wrinkles. How to use: apply castor oil gently over your face and neck in circular motions. Leave it overnight and wash it off in the morning. Repeat this regularly to witness its effectiveness. 2. Remove stretch mark. About benefits of castor oil for skin. Removing stretch marks is perhaps the most sought-after treatment. It contains fatty acids that enhance the elasticity of the skin, reducing the probability of stretch marks. Ingredients: castor oil few drops. Coconut argan oil equal amount with castor oil. How to use: rub some castor oil topically that is on the spots only over the pregnancy-related stretch marks. For other stretch marks, you can make the solution of equal part coconut or argan oil and apply it over the affected area. 3. Moisturize skin. Benefits of castor oil on skin also encompass its moisturizing and antioxidant properties. It can also help in replenishing skin cells, owing to its ricinoleic acid content. How to use: take a few drops of the oil. Gently rub in on your face in circular motion. Do not overdo it. Castor oil is heavy and may leave you looking greasy. 4. Treat acne. Oil on acne may sound counterproductive, but benefits of castor oil on the face are unquestionable. It penetrates deep into the skin and tackles the bacteria that cause acne. How to use: wash your face with warm water to open the pores on your face. Take a few drops of castor oil on your palms and spread it around your palms evenly. Slowly and gently rub it on your face in circular motion. 5. Reduce pigmentation. Castor oil is recommended by dermatologists to even out skin tones and remove spots and blemishes through its omega-3s, which hydrate the skin. It helps in the growth of healthy tissues. Castor oil benefits for hair. Benefits of castor oil for hair are as expansive as for skin, making this oil as the go-to beauty product not just for households, but also for various cosmetic companies. It stimulates the hair follicles and increases blood circulation at the surface of the scalp. Omega 6 and 9 and vitamin E are some nutrients that contribute to this benefit. 1. Thicken eyebrow hair. A lot of people prefer thicker eyebrows, and castor oil will help in getting them. Its antioxidants, proteins, fatty acids, and other nutrients will help stimulate the growth of eyebrows. Radiance castor oil few drops. Cotton ball 1. How to use: take some oil and soak the cotton ball in it. Dab it gently on your eyebrows. 2. Improve hair growth. We have all heard about the benefits of castor oil for hair growth. Here is how you can go about achieving it. How to use: damp, not wet your hair. Massage the oil into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it sit for at least 20 minutes, or preferably overnight. Wash it off with warm water. Castor oil is heavy, so you may have to use shampoo twice or thrice. The warm water helps in removing it. You can also lighten it by mixing equal parts of almond or coconut oil. You can add in 2 to 3 drops of rosemary or tea tree essential oil in the mixture for greater benefits. Apply this 1 to 2 times for 6 to 8 weeks for best results. 3. Enhance hair color. One can always take advantage of the benefits of castor oil for gray hair by following the simple rules. How to use: when the first signs of graying hair appear, Start massaging warm castor oil 2 to 3 times a week. It stimulates hair follicles and prevents graying. 4. Remove split ends. Split ends are one of the most cumbersome problems to have. However, due to castor oil's ability at remedying split ends come quite handy. Here is what you can do. Ingredients: castor oil 1 tablespoon, coconut oil 1 tablespoon, egg 1. Combine the egg and coconut oil, and then add in the castor oil. Massage this onto the scalp, gently working to the roots. Keep it on for at least 30 minutes before washing it with warm water and shampoo. Follow this once a week. 5. Make hair shiny. We all want to have that perfect shiny hair. However, often the hair gets dry or damaged by dirt and dust. Castor oil comes handy to reverse this effect. Ingredients: castor oil 1 tablespoon, coconut oil 1 tablespoon. How to use. Combine both the oil and warm it a little. Do not overheat it. Massage it onto your scalp for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it sit for at least 1 hour before washing it off. Health benefits of castor oil. Now that we have checked onto the benefits of castor oil for skin and hair, let's look at its uses for health. 1. Treat constipation. 2. Remove cracked heels. Because of its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, castor oil could be used to remove cracks from the heels. How to use. Warm the castor oil. Apply a thick layer over the ankle and put on your socks. Leave it on overnight. For faster results, follow this procedure regularly. 3. Treat backache. Want a safe and foolproof remedy for a backache? Benefits of castor oil massage have the answers. Ingredients: castor oil is needed, clean and soft cloth, hot water bag. You may need a helping hand for this. Apply the castor oil topically over the back, place the cloth over this spot, and place the hot water bag. If the water in the bag is too hot, you may wrap it with a towel, leave it on for an hour. Allow the oil to percolate, massage the area. 4. Castor oil remedy for stomachache. Ingredients: castor oil 1 teaspoon, cold milk 1 glass. Preparation method: stir in well the castor oil with the milk. Drink this on an empty stomach every morning for a full cleansing. This recipe takes care of acidity, stomach toxicity, bloating, constipation, and irritated bowels. Alternatively, you may also mix the oil with orange juice or water for tackling acidity, constipation, and bloating. But drink it with milk to yield best results. 5. Soothe the menstrual cramp. This is a welcome home remedy for many women. Castor oil relieves a lot of muscle pain, including menstrual cramps. Follow the procedure. Ingredients: castor oil is needed, clean and soft cloth, covering cloth, hot water bag. How to use. Warm the castor oil and soak the clean cloth. Do not make it dripping wet. Place it over your lower abdomen, cover it with the other cloth. Before placing the hot water bag over it, leave it on and get some refreshing sleep. Thank you for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like. Feel free to leave a comment in the comment section, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell to stay updated on future videos.